There's two hummingbirds that are going back and forth fighting. You gotta see it. They're actually screaming and yelling at each other. I'm gonna stand here. They came right by my face about a minute ago. So if I stand still. It's funny, we fly drones on a regular basis, quadcopters, and this thing whizzed by my face. There it is, right there. Very small, see it? And it's up on the power line going to the house, which you probably can't see. It's like next to invisible. All right, let me crouch back down. Not that I'm invisible, but they're ignoring me when I sit here. So I'm going to sit here. There's literally birds just everywhere this morning. That's all you can hear, the morning doves. Bird just flew over my head. Bunch of little bees all over this thing that are pollinating it. Figure, as soon as I get the phone, they'll disappear. Let me try backing off again. Oh, he's there. He's right behind it. I don't know if you guys caught that one. He's behind. It's sitting right up in there. There's two of them. Yeah, he's still there. It sounds like mice, like dee 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 dee. That's them fighting, so there's two still there. Or mating. I hope you can hear that. They must have a nest up there. I wish I had my phone on me when I came out earlier because I was literally standing, here's my finger, right there looking for safety glasses because we're going to the range. And they flew right by my face and they were just sitting there in the bush. Didn't even act like I existed. I could have got the killer shot on them. Shot is in picture. Alright, they're up there. They're still up there in that tree, which you probably can't see. So let me review the footage, and if you can actually see them flying around, I'll post it. So stay tuned.